Alright, let's get it. Back test. What I'm gonna do is back test this from this date where I just started going downhill. Do you know what, actually, I might back test the whole of Feb because I took a few wins in Feb as well. So I want to see if I can replicate them wins too. Let's have a little look.
Thank you, baby.
It's okay. Alright. It's going to be an interesting one for sure. So, equal highs. No, I've been waiting for them to get taken. I think they do eventually get taken, but I can't remember when. Draw could be there. So we're gonna go Feb 1st, 2025. Okay. Of course, we're selling, looking like we're going to them lows. Yeah, looks like that's what's going to be next. Oh, hang on. I'm not even in my time yet. Fucking hell. That's ridiculous. Okay. 1 o'clock. We're going. Ah, shit. Look at that trade there. Third of Feb. I guess I missed that. I didn't. Oh yeah, look, there was a trade there. 3rd of Feb at 56. Oh right, okay, I got in there. Took it to that low, I'm guessing. I must have just jumped out there. Does this go? Okay, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice trade. Okay. Alright, we're gonna skip. We're gonna go from the 4th of Feb actually. Unfortunately, we missed that day, so we'll go again. Alright. Okay. Cool. So, damn, just inverse that gap massively. So I think that we might be targeting that low, although did also just target them lows. Got a crazy gap to fill there. Respected this for our gap and we're coming higher, so realistically we're looking at them highs. And possibly this high. Looking like this is gonna hit soon, to be honest. Okay, there's some equal lows. Already relatively equal lows. Let's split this. 1 minute. Why is it took me all the way to fucking 2 o'clock again? That's so annoying. Okay. We do have what looks to be AMD, but I don't trust it because draw is higher, so I'm definitely not going to be trying to short this. Alright, draw a hit. It's a tough one now. Realistically, we might be looking at that, but it's a tough one. I have to wait for some better price action. Looking like an accumulation. No IFVG, unfortunately. Really nice though, really nice move. And I feel like we might be done. Yeah, let's hit whatever it wanted to in the macro. Okay, we're done. Nothing on the 4th. Alright, we're at 1 o'clock. Okay, baby.
Yeah, thanks, baby.
Alright, 4 hour, we're looking at this high. Bound to be next. If not, then we're looking at this 4 hour gap. Which may give us a small little support. Drop down. Okay, looking like we've got a bit of an accumulation going on. Took some equal lows. But we're fighting against that gap there. To take that. Still respecting the 30-minute gap. I do think that will go at least to this high. I do. But we failed to take out this. In terms of a high win rate, do we take this or not? It's not in my model, but it should go for that high. Okay, glad I didn't take that. Okay, can only really trade the model. gap. So a little lock. So 4 hour gap. So we haven't made the gap yet actually. Okay, we have now, so more reason to come into it. So that's possibly the draw. No. Got an order block there. Do you feel like we should be coming on lower, but the bias is higher? So we'll see. Few equal lows. Tough one. I don't think this is a clear enough accumulation for me. Tough. This is really tough. We are in a 15-minute gap. Tough one. Many equal lows. This didn't take any liquidity, except it did. I have to pass on it because we took the high already. Even though it should go, yeah. Okay. Did I take that trade? I took a loss on the 5th. 1341. What? The 5th of Feb, I got in a buy at 1351. 1341, sorry. Oh. No. Oh, after that. Okay, we inverted that. And I'll probably wait for a better price. It's not a good move. And then I did take a win at 1448, which would have been that candle there, yeah. I think that was just a confidence thing there. I'm guessing we was out by 1447, something like that, 52. Oh right, it must have been that one, the high. Okay, nice move. Alright, next there. Nice clean move. Only thing I didn't like was that it took the high before our trade came in. This is like an accumulation. So we might be able to short this. So look. Okay, we are in a daily gap. There's any point even doing that. Alright, daily gap. 4 hour. We should be looking for buys really. Okay. So there's your target there. So that should hit really because we've accumulated there, manipulated, distributed higher. That's obviously going to hit soon. Really? Okay. That's very interesting price action. Yeah, that's definitely manipulation lower. Okay, waiting for a macro time, are we? Maybe we have to wait for that low to go. If we get an inversion. Interesting. Definite inversion. Manipulation distribution there. Didn't expect to see, to be honest. Definitely still expecting higher prices. I'm not really looking to short this. However, that would be the draw if it was a short. So I'll react off this gap above. Yeah, definitely looking for longs. Still hasn't hit. No FEG. Okay. Big rejection. Big rejection. See how we react down here. To be honest, we should be buying. That's what I would think anyway. Alright. I feel like this might be a long. It's not my model though. There's an accumulation though. Manipulate lower. I'll take it. Nice. Clean. 1501. Oh damn. 1353. where? Down here. What was my inversion? Oh, it was that. Interesting. Where's the AMD there? Totally below. Real small AMD on the entry, but I took it. I mean, we did have to clear a target, but what? Yeah, okay, so I took it knowing that we was protected down there. Oh, okay, yeah, I took it knowing that we was already in a big AMD. And then I must have seen that a little bit slow down there. I'm going now. That was a good trade as well. It's the 6th of Feb. And at 15:02. Okay. So I never traded this Friday. I remember because I'd passed and I was just like, yeah, let's just call it a week. Enjoy the celebration. I think there was lots of news this Friday as well. Or I may have seen that candle and just thought, oh, fuck it. Let's see if we can trade it. Okay, we've tapped into a lower FEG. We're still holding it. Okay, really nice. Holding there, holding there. So looking like draw should be higher. Definitely want to see some price action that supports that draw there. And if the draw becomes lower, we might need to reevaluate. Okay, we got fair value up there. Okay, we inverted that. So that gives us a bit of a support. Accumulating, but also rising. Don't think we'll get anything from this. Inversion there. Do I trust it? It should go, but it's not for me. It might come back. Okay, nice. Wow, look at that. That'll go. Not gonna take this as a trade, but that should go. Although we have inverted all of that. maybe it's not a good trade, but I would think that goes. So that stop wouldn't be there, it'd be there. Yeah. See that and then that invert. Powerful. Okay, next. Day. Didn't take that. Okay, next week. Alright, so this was my losing week. Let's see if it was bad trading or bad price action. I don't remember any of these trades either. I've got a feeling it was bad trading. This is going to be really interesting. Okay, daily chart. Okay, guess straight off the bat this is quite a tough one for bias. I would still say higher. I mean, it's going to be higher anyway because whether we reject that gap or hold it, we should still be aiming for it. So, draw should definitely be higher. Say 4 hour agrees. 1 hour agrees, however, we could come below there and see. Also, we need to see how we react off this gap. Quite a biggie. Okay, cool. I think we're set. Definitely not looking for shorts at this point. Don't think I'm calling that AMD yet. It does look a bit AMD-ish to be honest. Right, let's see how we react in this gap. Okay, fully inverted that. If we reacted good in that gap, I might have took it. Alright, so we've held that. So draw might now be here. Looking like it is. Okay, I took both of them. Now we want to see the reaction off of these. Really nice. So 50 a minute. Well, we should be looking for longs in there. But again, just waiting for a confirmation. I was gonna say when we invert that, but that doesn't feel safe to me yet. Alright, nice, we're going higher. Alright, no reason to lose on that day then. Let's have a look. Looks like I was sitting there all day. Yeah, okay, a few MDs that didn't take the hit. I went for a sell at 15.19. Oh, so I took that. Idiot. So stupid. Alright, so I didn't stick with the bias. Right, okay. So the small AMDs that did go were this, although I can't really class that. Anything? Can't count that. This, although you can't count that either. Nah, I'd say this was the only AMD that held up. So I should have been getting it long there. Equal lows, pretty much equal highs, barely swept it. Alright, next day. So far that was bad trading that made me take that loss. Alright, still looking like we're coming towards this daily gap. Looking like we're building liquidity actually, so we might not take it yet. Any reason why we came lower? Yeah, going to that order block. So you'd hope for this high. Might not get it. We have an early gap there. Might not get it. We might get it. The gap fails, and we've got that. If the gap holds, then we've got that. Just playing this range really. I kind of wouldn't really take a trade yet. There's no clear bias because we're making no gaps. However, we have just inverted that and made a 15-minute gap. So that could. Oh no, we haven't made it. We haven't officially made it yet. Okay, let's just play this out and see. This is an interesting setup straight away. Bias is higher though. Play this out and see. I mean, we've inverted all of that. We just suspected that. Just inverted that. Oh, it's a crazy move, really, but however, we did just invert that. I'm not confident that this is a AMD though. I believe that this will go, but it's not my model, and that's what I need to stick to. That's how I need to stick to this trading stuff. Yes, it might go, but if it's not your model, don't take it. And that was not an AMD for me. There we go, we just avoided the loss by avoiding a low quality setup. Okay, let's keep going. So looking like we're bullish now. No reason to take this high. Take the low, sorry. Still pushing up higher. Okay, and we have just reacted off of that. So I mean I get why I went for that short. I'm guessing that was the short that lost. Yeah, 13.41 is that short. I think I must have waited for a better price there. The giveaway was closing that, and this was not a clear AMD for me. So yeah, close it. Carry on. Continue to make LA highs. Small AMD here. Quite like this. Although that's our only target. And we are slowly closing that gap. Okay, we did close that gap. So, do we like this? Still respecting that gap. Still respecting, okay. It's tough now because that looks like it's manipulated that way. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take it. We're gonna go for 1R. We're gonna go break even once we hit that high. Didn't even need to, bro. Okay, I liked that, and I liked that we respected that, and respected a 5, and then chopped there. So 14.46. Sorry, 14.47 straight up by 14.48. I believe this was Feb 8th. Oh, Feb 11th, so. Second win. Let's see if we took a loss on the 11th. Okay, it was just that one loss. So far, I shouldn't have took either of them losses. Okay. This is really interesting. I'm kind of glad this is the case though. It just shows me that I just lost my head a little bit. Alright, tough day. We can see what we can get, but low expectations for the day really. Alright, we're still looking for buys, I reckon. Alright, 3 targets. Just inverted that daily gap, which is nice. And now we're in a 4-hour gap after taking what looks like quite a large accumulation. Although we did take it above first, so I'm not going to class that. I'd say that was the manipulation. This was the distribution. So I think that's over. We got that on the 4, that on the 4. Both of these should hold really. Tough one to see where we're gonna go next. Interesting there, accumulation straight off the bat. Alright, let's say that's done. Has it? No? did reject that 4-hour gap, so that gives us some good conviction that we could be going higher. I'm guessing I took a short here. It's too big of a range to fight against. This is. There's no higher time frame target. I mean, it does seem like the obvious move, but there's no target. There's been no market structure shift. There's been no respect of any gaps. Yeah, I can't take that short. Did make sense as a short, but you just can't take it when there's nothing else that lines up. 53 lined up. Nah, even the 3 said nah. Alright, let's see the loss at maybe on that 12, 10 a.m. Why did I think I moved at 10 a.m.? Counter trend like an idiot. Oh, okay, I probably took it on 10 a.m. because I knew that was coming. That's it. 10:57. Okay. Looks like I tried to get in on that. I'm waiting for a better price. Yeah. I see what I've done there. Let the AMD dictate the move. Silly Billy. Alright, I'll carry this one on another day.